All right, prime time. This is the video to find the winner of our break number 27, which is our NBA Top 50 8x10. So this is going to be raffle style. So we'll check the time as June 9th at 9:56 p.m. We're going to run over to, we'll call the raffle now, since we're not actually going to break this. Call and type live. And we have June 9th at 9:56 p.m. There is the list of our 30 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. And it is Tony, spot 8. Tony Schwant, this is yours. So I'm going to break this live, and then whatever that 8x10 is yours. There is our verification code and our timestamp. Once again, June 9th, 9:56 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.